Well, hello again. Take two. Sometimes it's not technology, it's operator error. So, this is part one of my four-part series on why you are struggling in network marketing. For those who don't know me, my name is Cecilia, and I'm known as the digital marketing maven. And I teach entrepreneurs and business owners, specifically network marketers, how to use digital marketing strategies to build their brand and their business online. And I'm doing this four-part series because I read a really good article from Big Income Paradise on why you're struggling in network marketing. And I wanted to share these tips with you. So I will be doing a four-part series every day this week around noonish to give you some insight on how you can stop the struggle with network marketing business. So let's get into it for today. Tip number one on how to stop struggling is to change your mindset. A lot of people have a negative mindset when it comes to network marketing because of all the negativity around this business model. And sometimes it's not your own negativity, because if you were negative, spring is in the air, sorry, allergies. If you were negative about this business, you wouldn't be getting into this business. But sometimes it's not your negativity, it is the negativity and limiting beliefs of others that have you stuck and trapped in a negative mindset when it comes to your network marketing business. So let's talk a little bit about this and what it means. So a lot of people, they talk about network marketing. They say it's a pyramid scheme, or only the people at the top get rich, or nobody ever makes any money with network marketing, or nobody I know makes any money with network marketing. If you've heard any of these or other negative things about network marketing, go ahead and drop them in the comments. And by the way, if you are watching live, give me a shout out. Let me know where you are, where you're watching from, and what's it like in your project. Here in Dayton, Ohio, it is 45 degrees and somewhat sunny, but it's cold, right? What's it like where you are? So anyway, if you've heard any of those negative thoughts or sayings rather about network marketing, go ahead and drop those in the comments. Now, again, it could be it's not your negative or limiting beliefs, it's someone else's, especially if in your household, your spouse or partner is not feeling you in this network marketing business, but you got into this because you love the products. That's why most of us get started in network marketing. Sorry, my nose is just going crazy today. That's why most of us get started in network marketing, is because we love the product. We get started because someone has introduced us to a product that's made a difference in our lives. That's how it started with me. I was on a call with my clients and I couldn't string two words together to make a complete sentence. And my client asked me, "What in the world is wrong with you?" And I said, "I haven't had a good night's sleep in almost 4 years." And she sent me an all natural biohack. And the first time I took it, I slept for 8 hours straight for the first time in almost 4 years. Even when I got up for a bio break, I was back to sleep in like 10 minutes, right? Any other time before that biohack, I would have been up for like another 2 or 3 hours. And then she introduced me to 2 more biohacks that totally made a difference in my life. But the crazy part is she was my client, but it never clicked in my head to be like, wait a minute, should I start this network marketing business? So anyway, most people who start in network marketing, they start because of the product. They don't start to make it a business. And then when they tell everybody, hey, I just got started with this new company, then that's when all the negativity comes out. So how can you overcome this negative mindset about network marketing? Well, first and foremost, you have to believe in the products. You need to be able to tell your own personal story about the product. So I just shared with you my personal story about sleep. So let me share with you another quick story about my $1 million treadmill. So last year, a year ago, last Wednesday, I purchased a $1 million treadmill. I call it my $1 million treadmill because it has all the bells and whistles on it, and it just has everything. It's top of the line. And I was so happy when I got it because it took 3 months for it to arrive. And as soon as I got here, the first day I got on it, I could only do like 7 minutes because I have sciatica. And my back started hurting, and then I started feeling some heat radiating down my right leg, and it was like, oh, Lord Jesus, what in the world? So, in a few weeks after I got the treadmill, my client again asked me how my treadmill's going, and I said, I'm ready to sell this thing on eBay. And I told her why, and she was like, well, wait, let me send you something. So she sent me another biohack And shortly after I started using the second biohack, not only could I do a complete workout on the treadmill, but now I can walk a mile in 27 minutes, right? Pretty cool. So, anywho, how do you overcome those negative beliefs and that negative mindset? You got to be a product of the product. You got to be able to share a story of how the company product has helped you in some way, shape, or form. Another way to overcome this negative mindset about network marketing is you have to believe in the company and the mission of the company and what it is that they're doing to help the people, the world, the environment, whatever the case may be. One of the things I love about my company, and it's funny, is that the middle letters of the company name spell love it. And I do love it, right? I take 3 of their biohacks every single day. And I love it. I'll share the third one with you in another video. But nonetheless, you gotta know what the company stands for, and you have to believe in the company. Another way to overcome these negative beliefs, stereotypes, or mindsets about network marketing is to get educated. Oh my gosh, these allergies are gonna drive me crazy. You gotta get educated, right? You need to invest in your own personal development so you know how to have these conversations. So when someone says to you, oh, you're doing another one of those pyramid schemes, you can say, well, tell me more about how you hate Mondays, live for Fridays, and can't stand your coworkers. That'll get them, right? So, but yes, you got to invest in your personal development, again, so you can understand how to be a business owner in this network marketing space. So if you invest in your personal development, then you can have these confident conversations instead of the mousy conversations where you shrink into yourself because you're not confident about this business that you started. So that is my tip for today. Again, this is my day 1, part 1 of my 4-part series on why you're struggling in network marketing. Tune in tomorrow where we're going to get into business skills, because again, you got to have the skills. Personal development is one thing, business skills are something else. So tune in tomorrow. We're going to talk about the business skills you need to succeed in network marketing. I'm going live every day around noonish, give or take, to share these tidbits with you. And if you are in a network marketing company and you love their products, but you're not getting your products for free, you can't get anybody to sign up for you, you can't even give your products away, then you need some marketing help, and type group in the comments and I'll give you the link to my Facebook group, Easy Facebook Ad Strategies for Network Marketers. And if you're with a network marketing company or you're considering a company, but you're like, I don't know, you're kind of on the fence, then let me tell you, I have a company that I love. Like I said, I use their products every single day, all natural biohacking. Let's have a chat. Maybe this company might be right for you, or maybe not, but at least you'll know if you are someone who's a good candidate for this business model, because I'll give you a checklist of how you can tell if your network company is a good fit for your life and your lifestyle. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow around noonish, where we are going to talk business skills for network marketing. Have a great day on purpose. Bye for now.